Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today is super exciting because I just got my first Deck of Scarlet subscription box. If you don't know what Deck of Scarlet is, it is a makeup subscription box. You sign up for $29.95 and you will get a box every 2 months. You can skip at any time, and in each box is going to contain a palette that you can create multiple looks with, and they are all limited edition, so it's great for the makeup collector out there. And these boxes are done in collaboration with some of your favorite YouTubers, so it's really exciting to see which YouTubers have collaborated from month to month. So I'm gonna go ahead and open mine up and we're gonna create a look together. If you wanna see what's in this Deck of Scarlet subscription box and create a look with me, then just keep watching. I love how it just comes in a nice, simple, sleek black box. It comes with a little like mailing. So this little mailer basically tells you who it is in collaboration with, and this one is in collaboration with Kim Tai from YouTube, and this is her right there. Here is what it looks like in here. That looks so pretty. Here's what the palette looks like, and it is in this nice little sleeve. Oh wow, this is such a pretty palette. So there's two separate compartments. This one opens up and it has your eyeshadows, and it looks like maybe a blush and highlight is what I'm assuming. And then on this side, it looks like we've got some lip colors. So this is what the palette looks like. Definitely looks kind of like summery. It also came with this lip gloss, and this is High Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Love Spell. Again, definitely looks nice and summery with this bronze color. Let's go ahead and get started because I know I look really crazy right now. I'm actually testing out this foundation right now, the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, so be on the lookout for my video on that. I have my foundation, powder, and eyebrows on. Let's just go ahead and get started with the eyes. The first shade I'm gonna use is the shade Myth, which is kind of like a mid-tone brown, which looks perfect for the crease right out the gate. This is definitely a nice pigmented shade. And I do like that you have a little mirror in here so you can keep this side shut and use this mirror. Oh, I'm really loving how easy this color is applying. The next shade I'm going to go into is Crown. I'm just going to use my tube of glue to kind of give myself an outline here, and I'm going to concentrate this on the outer corner. You can definitely be light-handed with these shadows. Wow, wow, wow. And they're blending so nice. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Once I have that outline, I will go back in and kind of deepen up the shade. Putting something there with a flat surface just really helps to instantly create a winged kind of look with your eyeshadow. And I'm going to use whatever is left on my brush to just kind of sweep that into the crease just a tiny bit. It's kind of diffusing it a little bit so that it looks like a nice smooth finish. Going back in with my blending brush. Just gonna sweep over that. I'm gonna go into the shade Enchanted for the lid. I'm gonna use my MAC 242 for this, and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to make sure that I have the most pigment that I can get. Oh yes. My lids are a little bit hooded, so I like to kind of stretch that out a little bit and go a little bit above the crease, so that it looks like I have more lid space than I actually do. I love that shade. I'm going back into that burgundy shade Crown, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in with the lid shade so that there's just a really gradient finish. It's nice and smooth. This Crown color, I'm gonna take my brush and just dip it straight in like that. Get rid of the excess. And then I'm gonna start at the outer corner and just kind of work my way in, create a little extra depth with the look. I'm not going all the way into the inner corner like here. I'm kind of stopping about here. I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is called Tiara. Ooh, oh Lordy Jesus. Wow, it's got a lot of kick up. I literally barely dipped my brush in there. Look, whoa. Light hand. We'll just take some of this off here and then go in. Wow, that is a lot of pigment. Beautiful color though, oh my goodness. There isn't a bronzer or contour in here, but I'm actually gonna go in with that first shade Myth and use that just to contour a little bit. I'm using this Sigma small contour brush. I think that made for a pretty decent contour shade actually. Okay, next we're gonna go in with a little highlighter, and I'm going into this shade right here called Fairy Dust. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. Here we go. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of that like orangey gold in it. It's such a unique shade. This is such a perfect little travel palette. So gorgeous, I cannot get over it. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna use my Morphe Y22 pencil brush, going back into the shade Crown right here. And I'm going to sweep this along the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna add a smidge of that highlighter shade in Fairy Dust right to the inner corner. Oh, this highlighter is, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. And I am gonna add a little bit of liner to my waterline, and this is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Rose Glow. These eyeliners are my absolute favorite right now. I'm obsessed with them. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara and lashes off camera, and I will be right back. All right, mascara and lashes are done, and these lashes are the Ardell Natural number 120s. They look so nice, and they don't cover up the eyeshadow, which is why I like them, and that's also why I decided to not do any type of liner on the top lash line, because I didn't want this beautiful eyeshadow to be covered up by liner. These are the two lip options. This is the shade Kiss, and this is the shade Maiden. And I think I'm gonna go in with the brown shade because I definitely want to top it with this, and I think that'll be a really pretty combination. I'm gonna go in with MAC Strip Down to line my lips. And I like to kind of fill in the lips with whatever liner I'm using. I'm gonna use my MAC 316 brush. Go into a little bit of this. Oh, it looks really creamy. And we're just going to apply some. Oh, that is pretty. The formula is very, very creamy. I love this shade. Actually has quite a bit of pink in it. We're gonna top it off with this beautiful gloss, and this is again in the shade Love Spell. Wow, that is so pretty. The lip gloss has some pink flecks in it that just ties everything together. I'm gonna set it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. There we have it, you guys. This is the final look, and I love this. I'm totally gonna be taking this palette with me on vacation because I love that you just have everything all in one. What do you think about this look? Have any of you tried Deck of Scarlet? If you have, definitely leave me a comment and let me know. I am so happy with all of it. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this look, definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel to watch. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.